The human immune deficiency virus, or HIV, detects killer helper T cells because T cells stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies, or destruction disables the body against other pathogens. By counting the number of T cells that remain active in the body, progression can be monitored. The fewer the T cells, the more advanced the disease. Figure to the right shows that is used to monitor the average progression. The average number of T cells is a function of the time after the infection. Explain why this represents a function. Okay, why does this represent a function? Yeah, you can't draw a vertical line. You could say for every input, there's exactly one output, or for every input for every year, or you could say like for every input, that would put like year or time. There is exactly one output. Average number of T cells. Ooh, this gets some interesting stuff here. So for every input, for every X, there's exactly one Y. You can go in the vertical line test too, I guess, if you want. That's kind of what it means. Find f of 8. So what this means is when x equals 8, what is y? That's what I'm asking here. When x equals 8, what is y? So y is around what? Gosh, maybe 225, 250? What do y'all think? It's hard to tell. Is it 200? Maybe might be around 200. Around 200-ish. I don't know. It's kind of close to that. If I did a ruler here, I could tell a straight edge. I'm sorry about that. 200, actually. Yeah, that's about 200. Around 200 T cells. All right. What about when f of x equals 350? This is backwards. So when y equals 350, what is x? So when y equals 350, what is x? That's what I'm asking. So when y equals 350, so it's right around there, what is x? So it's around there. We'll say maybe 6.5 years. So that's kind of a, these get tricky. Those get tricky. I'm about to cover this in Algebra 2 as well. I don't know how detailed they want to be on this. Describe the general trend. Well, I guess, I don't know if we want to talk about like the dip there and the increase and then decrease, but generally what happens? Generally, as time increases, what happens to the cells? T cells decrease. You could talk about, if you want to be more specific, if you wanted to, like, Cole would have a better answer than that. Cole would say generally they would decrease, but there is a little spot here around the first year where it does increase. So if you want to comment on this little increase up here, you could. That'd be probably a better answer. But generally, as time increases, the T cells decrease.